Customer said his pool guy installed a backwash valve and it is leaking, and he can't get it to stop. We thought it was odd to have a coupling that close to the valve when it is a slip fitting. It looks like the installer saw the leak and tried to fix it, but not properly. They first tried cutting the pipe by the valve and using an inside slip coupling to seal the leak off from the inside. Of course that didn't work. Inside coupling are almost always a bad idea. Then it looks like he tried using a coupling over that fitting to try and seal it from the outside. That did not work either. The problem was his poor glue joint where the pipe glued into the valve. Luckily, we were able to remove the pipe that was glued into the valve. This is a little risky. Many times you will crack the valve socket. If the valve cracks, the valve body would have to be replaced. No more leaks. The plumbing gods were smiling down upon us on this day. Wow, that is a lot of lube. I guess the other guy thought using a tube of lube on the valve top would help his crappy plumbing job.